Steam clean almost anywhere with BISSELL PowerFresh 2-in-1 multi-surface steam mop. This versatile machine sanitizes and eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria when used as a floor steamer. But that's not all, it also works as a handheld steamer and an extended reach steam cleaner. This means you can naturally clean sticky messes off the kitchen floor, scrub grout on your shower walls, and steam clean the bathroom sink, all without having to switch machines. There is no hassling with a manual pumping action to get steam with PowerFresh 2-in-1 multi-surface steam mop. Plus, it has 2 on-demand steam triggers. Simply push the trigger and you have control over the amount of steam as you clean. It also comes with tools like a round scrubbing brush and a grout cleaning tool, and because it uses only water to clean, it's safe to use around kids and pets. Plus, every purchase of this steam mop helps save pets. BISSELL proudly supports BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets. When you buy a BISSELL product, you help save pets too. We're proud to design products that help make pet messes, odors, and pet homelessness disappear. Versatile cleaning power. The BISSELL PowerFresh 2-in-1 steam mop is not your ordinary steam cleaner. With its innovative design, it serves as a floor steam mop, handheld steamer, and extended reach steam cleaner, providing you with unparalleled versatility in your cleaning routine. From kitchen floors to bathroom sinks, this steam mop can tackle messes almost anywhere in your home. On-demand steam control. Say goodbye to manual pumping action with the PowerFresh 2-in-1 steam mop. Equipped with 2 on-demand steam triggers, you have full control over the amount of steam you use as you clean. This means you can effortlessly adjust the steam output to suit different surfaces and cleaning tasks, giving you a customized cleaning experience every time. Sanitize naturally. Harnessing the natural power of steam, the PowerFresh 2-in-1 steam mop eliminates 99.9% of germs and bacteria on a variety of hard surfaces in your home. By using only water to clean, it's safe to use around kids and pets, providing you with peace of mind, knowing that your home is clean and hygienic. Convenient features. With its powerful steam ready in just 30 seconds, the PowerFresh 2-in-1 steam mop offers quick and efficient cleaning whenever you need it. Its low-profile mop foot and swivel steering allow you to easily maneuver around furniture and obstacles, while the removable handle provides extended reach for those hard-to-reach areas. Every purchase makes a difference. By choosing the BISSELL PowerFresh 2-in-1 steam mop, you're not only investing in a superior cleaning tool, but also supporting a good cause. BISSELL proudly supports the BISSELL Pet Foundation and its mission to help save homeless pets, so you can feel good about your purchase, knowing that you're making a positive impact. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.